Hey then, I just finished the automation process in Make.com, and to get started with it, you just come here to Scenarios and select the integration. There will be these two nodes. One is for getting all the data from this spreadsheet that I created just for this example, and the other one is LinkedIn node that create a text post in the website. Okay, I configure it by connecting my account, connecting the node to my Drive account and getting the spreadsheet ID. There is other information here as well. Okay, so basically when I get information from here, I can access in this node. There's this link test A and this link test 2B. That is these two variables. And when I access this data, it will replace by the post example 1 and post example 2. And that's basically it. I just run the process and everything's okay. I just go to the LinkedIn, hello the page, okay, and there will be this very simple post, and that's basically the whole process. Let me know if you need more information, and that's it. Thank you.